welcome back to another video. Today is very exciting. What are we doing today?
We are renovating Mascot's room.
Renovating. Us adding a few decorations.
Painting, building.
Although this is a short-term stay, I just wanted to add a bit more of me.
Just wanted to add a bit of flavour, a bit of personalisation.
Exactly. Chloe's gonna kindly help me out, even though she has work soon and is going to die.
Anemia!
You're a bit funny. Chloe, everyone loves you.
Stop it.
We did post another vlog.
Whoever called me pretty, thank you.
Let's get into it. So this is my room before. Here's a little overview. Got the window here looking out into the city. The bed, painting, big mirror here with a closet. I'm excited to make it all like Pinterest and aesthetic. Not too cluttered, very nice and simple, but still with a pop of color. So if that's a vibe you want to go for with your room, then I hope this video can inspire you. I'm gonna put everything in the living room for now, just so I can move furniture around without it being annoying. Oh, how cool is it with a city background? Guys, I've never used one of these before. This is a new experience for me. A bit dusty, so delete. Chloe's watching my video.
I'm watching Mascot's vlog for the 5th time. Sue me.
I love that.
Also, thanks so much for the nice comment.
Oh, look at us.
Mascot's like, can you help me move furniture? And I'm like, let me just watch the vlog first. Okay, so we're starting shit.
All my stuff in there, like rattling, breaking. Chloe's like, woo.
Go on to the other side. Oh.
Like
it's like Jurassic Park. It's more fun to watch her struggle. Hi guys.
Hey guys. We're gonna move the bed.
Okay, so
Just smashes the camera.
So grab that side and slide it down, right?
Yeah. I'm scared of like breaking the mirror.
Lean it against.
This room is actually small as.
Both of them are.
Yeah. We have moved the bed, so it's just in the corner now.
You want to be careful because it's in front of you. But my brother and I stood it on the carpet and we'd push it onto each other.
Oh, there we go. Yay!
This is actually a great spot.
Yeah. Not me like making it difficult for you. Just gonna grab the sheets now, put them back onto the bed. I hate when the sheets are not like straight. Okay, so we're gonna move this table into my room for now, and then I'm gonna see if I can get a new table. So I'm just gonna take this chair from here and put it next to my desk because it will add a nice pop of color, but I probably am gonna order a new one online just because this one looks really good here. It's gonna be really nice to look out into the city while I'm studying and editing. Cute. Okay, so I was finding that when I just sprayed this glass table, it was very streaky. I looked it up online and I think you're just supposed to get some hot water and a cloth. I'm just gonna use a top. Go around in circles. Oh, hey, you can see me. Oh, you can see the reflection. That's so cool. Okay, so now that the desk is in there, I'm gonna add a little clothing rack. I think it'll just be nice to have as a pop of color in the background of my videos and just to grab things on the go. Right, I hope that fits there. Oh, please tell me. Yes, okay. Yay! I'm feeling so much happier now that I'm adding a pop of color to my room. I have these hangers. Don't know if I'll have enough of them, but I want to make sure that it's consistent. So I might have to buy some more. Goodbye, towels. See ya, gonna have to find a different spot. I haven't worn this. I need to wear it. It's actually very nice. The iconic Princess Polly dress that I feel like every girl has in her closet. Wait, it looks so nice. I'm so happy. Pink blazer. I'm actually really uncertain whether I should include blue, but now that I'm seeing it in the frame, I'm definitely adding it. I love pastels, as you can tell. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown. No, absolutely not. Why does it ruin the vibe? Dolly got a crochet sweater, more green. Does this black even go or not really? I feel like it doesn't. I'm gonna spread the clothes out and see what they look like. I might leave it like that. Oh my god, I love that. But let me know if you think it should be spread out like this or bunched together. I'll add another purple dress. Yay! This is the OG plant that I've had in the back of my videos for many, many years. Should I put it on the desk or or here. I'll put it on the desk for now and then I'll choose a spot for it later.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed.
I'm getting a bit tired right now, so I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. I'm really excited to continue taking you along with me on this journey of making my room a little bit more personalized. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi! So close up, let me sit down. It is the next day and I've just been sitting here getting some work done, also getting some uni work done. I know a lot of you students have exams coming up, so I thought this would be the perfect time to introduce today's sponsor, which is Chegg. Chegg Study Pack has all the tools that you need, whether you're doing maths or you're doing English or you're doing psychology or business, law, finance. Basically, when it's out of hours and you desperately need someone's help, Chegg has experts who can literally give you an explanation and an answer in as little as 30 minutes. You can also find internships on here, so you don't have to wait for someone to offer you something. You can just go and get it. You can post a question, take a practice test, find flashcards, solve math problems, create citations, check your writing, and get expert proofreading. So if I insert an essay, it will do a plagiarism check and a grammar check. Let's see. So here we can see all the suggestions, get writing help from subject experts, receive detailed summary feedback on your paper's main idea, writing style, and more. Submit up to 30 papers a month, up to 3,000 words each. How incredible is that? You'll get feedback by Monday, 18th of October. So it's literally the 17th of October. I will get detailed feedback from an expert tomorrow. I just think it's so cool how it's not only the online tools that you have, but also real people that will help you with your work. When I did maths in year 11, instead of sending an email to my teacher with photos of equations and asking how to do it, I would have just gone on Chegg and done it. You can either find ready-made flashcards here for your course, or you can create your own deck. So whether you're studying for your midterm exams and you just need a bit of extra help, or you want to start the school year off strong, then make sure to click the link in my description box to get $5 off of your first month of Chegg Study Pack. Mwah! Now that I've completed some work, I'm going to be redoing the rest of my room. All we have left pretty much is just a few decorations, and then I'll see if I want to add anything else. Got some fun leaves. I always like chucking a magazine on my bed. Doesn't that look so much better? Hi! Oh my god, why is this such a vibe? Yes! Oh my gosh, look at it! No, it doesn't read.
That's fine.
It's so ugly. Let's turn the lights off and do a reveal. Now let's turn it on. Oh,
that's
nice! Yay! Chloe, you should have praise like this. Inhale. Piggyback, go. No, trust me.
No,
Chloe, I can carry it, I promise.
No.
Chloe, I promise.
No, she
Fine,
can't.
I'll go on you.
Thank you. I have a fear of being. Why do you jump so low?
I don't know, I always do that. Hi guys, I'm in activewear because I'm going on a run now, but I just wanted to show you the final result. I didn't change too much, just added a few things. It makes a big difference for me. I love how it turned out, and I also loved bringing you guys along with me. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below when you last redid your room. Okay, I'm gonna go for my run now. I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!